In this execution plan, we talk about how to create personal training packages that will sell better. So why packages instead of blocks of sessions? Well, it's all about psychology. To make a purchase decision, a client must be able to associate your services with the goal that they are trying to achieve. If you sell, let's say 10 sessions for £400, the client then has to work out how 10 sessions will get them closer to their goal. This is time consuming, so what we do is we create packages based on the results that the client will achieve should they choose to work with you. The first thing that you want to do is to find out what your clients actually want. Now, to find out what your clients want, you need to do a few things. Some of the steps you will have already covered in how to find your USP. You want to ask your existing clients, simply ask them what they would like in a fitness package and then create that. Find out what your competitors are offering, and if you're new to the industry, find out what your more seasoned competitors are doing. Then you want to create a survey. You can use Facebook or your website and ask them what the top 5 features are. The next step is to understand the why of your client's goals. Now, knowing what your client wants isn't enough. You have to understand why they want it, and that is where the selling starts. Just talking about the features of your product will lead to the website visitor to so what? What you want to do is think about it like this. Train 3 times per week in our private gym. Or our world-class coaches will make you noticeably leaner and feeling more confident in just 4 weeks. The next step is to eliminate clutter. Now, clear and simple pricing makes it easier for people to buy. If you have too much clutter, this reduces your conversion rate. Cluttered pricing lists that are full of fluffy words and options that are just repeated over and over again in all packages to make them look like they're, more valuable simply doesn't work unless you're selling software. What you want to make sure is that you don't have a features only package and you want to aim for a goals based package instead. Features only packages might list a bunch of features like a custom exercise program, healthy nutritional guidelines, weekly measurements, and so on. A goals-based package might be something like, the Fit for Life package is for busy working men who want to join over 150 men, increase muscle mass, and feel more confident in 8 weeks. The next step is to understand the anchoring effect. Now, people like choice. Offering multiple packages of varying value enables you to appeal to certain types of people within varying budgets. Value is relative. The highest priced package will make the other packages seem more reasonable. It's called the anchoring effect. In general, very few people will ever buy the top package or the bottom package. Most people will usually pick one of the middle packages. Take the iPad for example. The 16 gig iPad is $500, 32 is $600, and 64 is $700. Step 5 is to add extra value to your package. Now you hopefully have 3 tiers of packages that appeal to certain types of people. It's time to add value to those packages. This is where a feature list can actually come in handy. A features list can help distinguish between your packages and also help the reader to see how much value you provide compared to your competitors. After you've done that, you want to calculate your hourly rate. Simply put, your hourly rate is the rate that you want to command to sustain your living costs or build a nest egg or even save for a holiday on top of your everyday expenditure. Yes, there might be an industry standard for hourly rates, but that doesn't matter a dime. It is not how much you need and want to earn. Consider how much you want to how much you want to earn from being a PT, how much you need to earn, your overheads and your business costs. We've linked you to a tool that you can use to calculate your prices on the original lesson.